let's talk about finding the multiplier, the thing we're going to multiply times by to give a final amount after a percentage increase or decrease. They're different. So in this case, we're going to talk about decrease. It says last year Jenny opened an investment account with this much money, and at the end of the year the amount had decreased by this percent. Well, after it decreases by that percent, we don't want to talk about how much money that went away. We want to talk about how much money we have left. The other part of this is 100 minus 27, which gives me 73. So after 27% goes away, we actually have 73%. So if we multiply 73% or 0.73 times our original amount of money, we will get the amount we have, not the amount that went away, but how much we actually have in our bank account. Okay, that's what we do with a decrease. But what if the money had increased by 27%? Let's say that we had, let's say we had $7,200 and we get an increase of 27%. Well, in that case, we're going to still have $7,200 and we're going to have 27% more added on to that. And so what we'll do in this case is we're going to change this number to a decimal and we're going to put a 1 in front of it. So for increases, we will take our amount, like 7,200, and we will multiply by 1.27, the amount. We don't have to do that other part. We don't have to do the 73% because that doesn't have anything to do with this. We actually want to see the $7,200 and the 27% right on top of that. So if I multiply 7,200 times 1.27, actually I have a calculator here, 7,200 times 1.27, I will get 9,144. That would be a 27% increase. So increases, we do a 1 point, the decimal amount or the percent amount that's going to go up. Okay, but if we do a decrease, we will have to do this subtraction. We take the amount that we're decreasing, we subtract it from 100, because then we find out the amount that we still have, and that's important. So when we do 7,200 times 0.73, we'll get less than 7,200. We'll get $5,256, and that's how much I have left in my account. I started with this amount, but it went down. So for a decrease, make sure you take 100 minus the percent that's going down, and then use that usually bigger, but not necessarily, number. That's the number, that percent that equals what you still have. Okay?